Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, May 20th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar index. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Make sure to watch the video on the home screen. So, anyways, the US dollar index to me definitely looks like an end of an ABC correction. Looks like the end of a pullback, which was a pullback to the last 5 waves down. Got your Fibonacci retracement on those 5 waves down. We got one wave up, we got 3 waves down, running ABCOB, another wave up, 50% fib bounce, nice and impulsive down. I think this is the end of a correction, and if it is the end of a correction, I think there's a very good likelihood that it will go down. It will take out these previous lows and potentially go a lot further than that. So definitely looking up for sorts the dollar via the dollar pairs themselves. So if we take it all the way down to the 1 hour time frame, now whether or not this right here is the end of a correction or not, we'll have to just wait and see. It could possibly be like an A, a B, and then go back up for a C and then go down. But as of right now, it definitely does look like a possible 3 waves up. I mean, it could just definitely take off from here, especially with the fact that this up here does look like the end of a pullback. So I'm definitely looking for shorts, whether this is actually going to go up one more time and hit a higher Fibonacci level and then go down, or whether it's already a 1, 2, 3 wave pullback and it's already going to continue down from here. Doesn't really matter to me. Either way, I'm going to go short. I'm going to look for shorts every chance I get via the dollar pairs themselves. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.